Alright, this is part 3 of the video. I didn't think that there was a part 3 of this video, but there is. Apparently there's something in this little box that I completely forgot to take a look at. And let's see what that is. Okay, cool. So it comes with some kind of thing in the poodle. I don't know what that is. It might go here, it might go there. It might not go. I don't know. And it has instructions and an extra bunch of screws in there. So maybe I might have to read these. I might have to actually read instructions. I do that from time to time. I actually do that from time to time. I'm just a naughty man. Most men don't want to read instructions, but I do. I do. Oh, look, there's an extra bit. Yay. Instructions and more bits. Okay, this is good. This is good. See you all in the next.
Likey.